안녕 친구들. This is viral on social media. Have you guys seen it? It has started with tortilla and now many Koreans are making it with kimbap. So I tried. First, I'm going to share how to make it very quick, and after that, I'll share practical tips in actual making. So if you're really planning to make one, please watch till the end. There's two sides in kim. One side is shiny and the other side is not. Shiny side should be outside. Did you know that 4 slices of cheese are perfect for 1 sheet of kim? I strongly believe they are cut for kimbap. Oh yeah? So each filling should be the size of 1 slice of cheese. Bring kim as many as you want. Just fold them in half and cut them with scissors. Easy! Then you can add whatever you want. Rice, egg, fish cake, 단무지, cucumber, and carrot. Rice, 깻잎, cucumber, tuna mayo, and cheese. Rice, egg, fried kimchi, and spam. Rice, 단무지, imitation crab mayo, and cabbage, cucumber, carrot. Just make it whatever way you want. And I try to make them as pretty as possible because I need to show them to you guys. But if you're eating alone, who cares? Just prepare anything easy and quick. Take out any leftover from your fridge, alright? You wanna keep them for a while or make a lunchbox with them? This is totally optional. Sesame oil and sesame. Just wrap it. It's easier to eat if you cut it in half. Wanna do with tortilla? No problemo. After I made it, I realized there's a rule to make it neat and pretty. 1. Rice. Not too much, and please cool it down before you make it. 2. Right space of filling. If your filling can be easily scattered, put them in space 1 or 2, cause space 3 and 4 will be outside. As you can see here, I put shredded cabbage on space 3 and I had to hold kimbap securely not to drop any. So was it worth making? I'll share my testimony at the end. Keep watching. Now, are you ready for details? Let's prepare the fillings. Fish cake, I pan-fried lightly with cooking oil, soy sauce, and sesame oil. 1 slice, I'll add chili flake. Just cut them in half, then they are perfect in sizes. Spam, I just sliced and fried. They are already perfect fit. Egg, I made it thin and thick. Let's see which one suits better. Did you know that scissors are essential tool in Korean cooking? They are so convenient, especially for chopping kimchi. No need to worry about ruining your cutting board with kimchi stain. Let's make kimchi 볶음, fried kimchi. Just fry your kimchi with cooking oil, then it's done. All you need to do is just fry, but kimchi become whole new dish. No need to add anything. Only when it's too sour, I add some sugar. Sugar reduces sourness. Fry until all the kimchi juice evaporates. Let's make tuna mayo. Drain the canned tuna and mix with mayonnaise, and that's it. Imitation crab meat, you can use it as it is, but I love to shred it. Cut, shred, and add mayo, then they are much better in texture. I suddenly remember I could add avocado and cucumber to make California roll taste folding kimbap. Vegetables also slice cheese sizes. And carrot, you can use peeler to have very thin slices. Other vegetables too. But in case it is hard to slice by peeler, you can use knife. For cooked rice, I always add sesame oil to make it easier to spread thinly. So was it worth it? Yes, it was. It was great in 5 points of view. 1. Taste was really nice, same as regular kimbap. 2. No worries about ugly kimbap. It's not easy for everyone to make pretty kimbap, rolling and also cutting parts. So this one will free you from the stress. 3. You can use less rice. If you want to cut down your daily carbohydrate consumption, this can be a better choice. 4. Small quantity friendly. If I had to make only one roll of kimbap, I would rather not to make any, right? Who's gonna do all the hassle for only one roll of kimbap? But this way, no worries. Just use anything you have. 5. Easy to store. Wanna make sandwich for later use? This is going to be a delicious and fun alternative. Easy to store for later use. Alright, that's it for today, and I hope to see you all in my next video. If you like this video, smack the thumbs up button right below and subscribe. God bless you all. Bye. 안녕.